How do you say see you later in Portuguese? The phrase see you later in Portuguese is até logo. Até logo. Ciao, até logo. Ciao, até logo. Bye, see you later. Foi bom ver-te. Até logo. Foi bom ver-te. Até logo. It was nice to see you. See you later. Vou andando. Até logo. Vou andando. Até logo. I'm heading off. See you later. Literally, até logo means until later. The word até means until, and logo means later. Até logo, amigos. Até logo, amigos. See you later, friends. Até logo e boa sorte. Até logo e boa sorte. See you later and good luck. Até logo, falamos depois. Até logo, falamos depois. See you later, we'll talk later. So if you want to say see you later in Portuguese, you can say até logo. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!